Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body and you go against yourself, and it will take longer to accomplish your goals. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials closed down 15, NASDAQ up 98, S&P's up 21, gold contract up $9.60, trading at $13.25 an ounce. We had silver up 13 cents, $16.06 an ounce. Light sweet crude down 19 cents, $54.04 a barrel. Notes and bonds, they just continue higher price, lower yield. You get the 10-year note up a half a point. 166.14, 30-year up full point, plus one tick, 146.23. King dollar up 254 ticks, trading 95.295. The euro is trading at 114.45 to 1 US dollar. The yen is at 108.92. The pound is at 131.11 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. In the world of Amazon, let's go take a look at it. So Amazon comes out with these numbers. Amazon closed up $48 today, $1,718. You get a close at. It's trading $17.26. Bottom line, you got an ABC structure on the way up, a confirmed ABC up on the way up, and that was before they come out with their numbers, folks. So here's the numbers on Amazon. They were looking to do $71.9 billion. They did $72.5 billion. So they took an additional $500 million in 90 days. Not bad, right? The cloud sales, $7.43 billion. The earnings per share number, the estimate had been $5.56. They'd taken $6.04. You can see that it's pretty amazing. You can kind of see right there, they're at a point, folks, if you just did a fast napkin math on their gross sales, the net sales, versus the earnings, what you're going to see is that every $500 million, they seem to make 50 cents. You know, because what happens here is that you got $500 million more than they were estimated at. The estimate had been $556. They come out at $604. So you're talking some big numbers here. And in Amazon's case, bottom line is that you definitely have an acceleration to the upward side. They're in so many different businesses that are growing so tremendously. It's amazing. So this fourth quarter, folks, sales were up. Let's just get this straight. Yeah, 20%. You got operating cash flow increased 67% to $30.7 billion for the trailing 12 months compared to $18 billion for the 12 months prior to that. Look at that. That's amazing. Free cash flow increased to $19.5 billion for the trailing 12 months. Net sales increased 20% to $72.4 billion in the fourth quarter. So year over year, folks, they're still growing by 20%. Operating income increased to $3.4 billion compared with $2.1 billion in the fourth quarter of 2017. So that's quite a feat. That's pretty amazing, actually. Net income increased to $3 billion in the fourth quarter, or $6.04 a diluted share, compared to $1.9 billion in the fourth quarter of 2017. Net sales increased 31%, big number, to $232 billion compared with $177 billion. Let's see, operating income increased to $12.4 billion compared with operating income. Oh, look at that. That's huge. So operating income, folks, increased to $12.4 billion compared with operating income of $4.1 in 2017. Net income also a big number. So a year-over-year deal. This is quite a move, folks. Alexa was very busy during the holiday season. Echo Dot was the best-selling item across all products on Amazon globally, and customers purchased millions more devices from the Echo family compared to last year, said Jeff Bezos. founder and CEO. The number of research scientists working on Alexa has doubled in the past year, and the results of the team's work are clear. In 2018, we improved Alexa's ability to understand requests and answer questions by more than 20% through advances in machine learning. We added billions of facts, making Alexa more knowledgeable than ever. Developers doubled the number of Alexa skills to over 80,000. Customers spoke to Alexa tens of billions more times in 2018 compared to 2017. For the second year in a row, Amazon was ranked the company America loves the most on the Morning Consult boards that defined 2018. It was named America's most just company on retail. Amazon launched Amazon Future Engineer, a childhood to career program that aims to inspire and educate millions of children and adults about computer science and coding each year from underserved and low-income communities. Through this program, Amazon will fund coding camps and online lessons, pay for introductory and advanced placement courses, and computer science for over 100,000 underprivileged people and 2,000 low-income schools across the U.S., and award 100 students annually from underserved communities pursuing a degree in computer science with 4-year, 10,000 annual scholarships, as well as paid internships at Amazon. Pretty cool. It's kicking that education. It's a big deal, folks, and particularly education, inside the coding business is a big deal because that's not going away. We're expanding on that in a monster way. Let's go take a look at Deckers. Deckers just come out, Deckers Outdoor. That closed at 128.45. That is trading right now at 137. So we're buying Deckers, evidently. And you can see this, too. This was pushing on volume. 137 is the last high. Actually, it is the high. So let's see what they have to say. Estimate, earnings per share estimate, $5.29. They came in with $6.59. Big number. Revenue, look at that revenue, too. Big number. $823 million. They come in with $873. So bottom line is that they beat the top and they beat the bottom. And it looks like, the low, it looks like we're going to go after the all-time high. Yeah, 137.49 is your all-time high, and right now you're trading at 138. Yeah, it's just jumped over its all-time high. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.